A woman's chronic hiccups, baffling doctors for years, were permanently cured after one thrilling roller coaster ride. Despite countless medical interventions, nothing worked until the unexpected happened during a high-speed plunge. Her hiccups vanished instantly, leaving medical experts scratching their heads and wondering how the rapid changes in pressure and adrenaline rush could have reset her diaphragm. Could the cure for stubborn hiccups be as simple as a heart-pounding amusement park ride? This real-life medical mystery is not just a ride to remember but a potential breakthrough that challenges conventional treatments.